Okay, we're back with Gemma. So remember, we've got to teach her not to pull on the leash. So the only way to do that is to teach them the subtask of I don't want the leash made tight. So that's still where we're at. Every time with that page, you're going to be able to do that too. Slightly before, right then, as soon as that leash got tight, I hit that page. You're really just setting a precedent for what you want. I'm not trying to tell her to heal or do anything like that. She doesn't know that yet. I'm not jerking on her. If there is any pressure on the leash, it's more of a steady pressure. It's not a big jerk. You don't want that. Somehow on YouTube today, I stumbled on this Caesar Milan video. Apparently he takes his foot and kicks him all the time. This is the most bizarre thing I ever saw. What was more bizarre is the people that were watching the video seemed to think it was fine. You know, he goes like, you know, and then kicks him. It's fine. It was the strangest thing I've ever seen. I don't watch that show, but I've never seen anything like that before. Eventually this will become healed. We'll start that, you know, we'll do this for another week probably. This all falls under the same umbrella of move in my direction. So, you know, this and the recall are very closely related. She's very strong-willed. If she wants to go somewhere or do something, before she would just do it. So, anyway, we'll be back in a minute.